You got anything other than cookies and milk? Did he have some like bangers and mash? Christmas.
Nick, aka Loyalty to Royalty. Got Trent, K20 Cartel 4.5.
Yeah.
And then Redline Ryan.
I forgot your name.
Although I was almost gonna say Redline Redefined. That's our channel. It's the company name we're starting.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah, like, subscribe,
yep,
share it, share it.
Help support.
We're making this an annual thing. Every year we'll do a little bit more, maybe a couple more cars.
Yeah.
Go bigger. This was a lot of fun. Not too many hiccups.
Yeah. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit.
There's always lost the bow.
Yeah. You seen the bow get fly off?
Smashed the face into the back of a headrest.
I don't know if that's on camera, but I did. That's why you wear your seatbelt. I did not have my seatbelt on, and the bow fell off, and I hit the back of the headrest. But we want to say Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year.
Yep. Everyone stay safe.
Yep.
Holidays. Buy race car parts.
Race car parts. Send us race car parts.
Yeah.
We need G parts, we got drift G parts, we need speed parts.
We'll take any parts.
Hatch parts.
K series.
But really we would just appreciate your support and subscribing and liking and sharing, and that would just be awesome.
Later. We ran into some complication, guys. This guy here overheated.
Yep. This guy right
100.7 intake count.
Today's the big day. We showcase our cars. We got Baby Yoda. And we got the Speed. Dude ran through a Christmas farm. Took a tree.
Where did you get the wrapping paper?
Say hi! Hopefully it stays. Whoa. Don't worry, we're going to be doing a lot of stalls today.
It is on video. Oh, I mean, it's my car.
Oh, yeah, right. He stalls too.
Oh, no.
Yo, Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.